Despite wear and tear, stress whitening and building damage, structured floors can be renovated with the Dr. Schutz PU Systems. No problem. Here we'll show you, as an example, a studded floor and an LVT design floor which looks like slate. As the first step, use clean and strip diluted with water in a ratio of up to 1:5. Apply the diluted clean and strip onto the surface with a mop. Soaking in time is at least 10 to 15 minutes, longer for heavily soiled surfaces or for several layers of old products. After the strip cleaner has soaked in, use the grit brush together with the cleaning solution. Subsequently, remove the dirty solution using the wet suction vacuum cleaner PS27. Now the floor must be neutralized with clear water so that all dirt and any remaining cleaner are completely removed. To do this, work with an Abranop pad and the monodisc machine. This pad is especially suitable for studded floors, abrading the surface while at the same time is still gentle to the floor. The floor is now free of dirt and the surface is even, sufficiently abraded and therefore perfectly prepared for lacquering with PU sealer or PU Anticolor. Now a cross linker is added to the PU sealer or PU Anticolor, which is then well shaken. Apply the lacquer evenly with an aqua top roller, first crossways and then lengthways. Use the drying fan TG1 to make the lacquer dry faster. In this way you can manage both lacquer applications in one day. Apply the second coat in the same way, crossways then lengthways. Subsequently, the drying fan can again shorten the drying time enormously. The surface area now looks like new. It is free of scratches and stress whitening, making a positive impression with its clean, matte appearance.